Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by closing sticky notes and locating its data. First, quit the app so files aren't locked. This prevents corruption. Next, open File Explorer and enable hidden items and file extensions so you can see system folders. Then, confirm you're signed into the same Windows account and OneDrive. If you used Sync, recovery differs. Once done, navigate to %local app data %packages. Make sure to keep the window open, because the next step is extracting the specific database files. Now you'll find and extract the sticky notes database so you can restore missing content. Go into the Microsoft Sticky Notes package folder and open Local State, the file plum. SQLite contains your notes. Copy plum. SQLite to a safe location before any changes. This preserves a fallback. If you have a backup, replace the file here, then set file permissions to match the original. Otherwise, open the copy in a SQLite viewer. Export individual notes as TXT or JSON and prepare to import them back into the app. Finish by re-importing or swapping the database and verifying integrity. Close sticky notes, place your restored plum. SQLite into local state and ensure its owner is your user account, then start the app. If you rely on OneDrive Sync, sign in and allow a few minutes for notes to merge. Make sure colors and formatting appear. If they don't, export from your SQLite copy and paste notes manually into new notes. If things go wrong, run the store app repair and confirm folder permissions before repeating the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.